Hey guys, it's Sejal. 2018. A good year for some, bad for some. For me, it was sort of mixed up. My last videos of this series have always been hunky dory. Hey guys, look मैं कितनी cool हूँ, कितनी खुश हूँ, successful हूँ, blah blah blah. But that's not always true. 2018 took me to amazing places, but very dark places too. But the best part was, it taught me how to pull myself out of them. So here is each day that I value from 2018, presenting 18 days of 2018. First Jan, जो actually मेरा birthday भी है, was actually a pretty special day. I was just chilling in the dhoop with my closest friends. We were drinking tomato juice, talking about life, and just having the time of our lives. This was a day जब हम एक video shoot कर रहे थे and my phone got stolen. And in the stress of the whole thing, I ended up being very rude at everyone around me. And I remember going back home that day and feeling so terrible. Not because I lost my phone, but because I lost my temper, I failed as a leader, and that day I realized that I have a long way to go and so much to learn. FanFest. So this year I got to perform and host the show. It was such a dream come true. And show के 4 दिन पहले से मेरा पेट nervousness से दर्द कर रहा था. And I thought, how am I going to pull this off? But I realized that if you're organized and if you believe in yourself, you can do anything that you want. Hyderabad to BITS Pilani, Hyderabad for a YouTube panel discussion. This was such a great day. I was on a panel with so many cool YouTubers, and there was nothing that was wrong about the day. But after this whole thing was over, in my hotel room, I remember just bursting into tears for some reason that I could not recognize. And that was the day I realized that something is really, really wrong and I need to work on myself. And that's where I sort of began my journey of healing myself. I won my first major award, Cosmopolitan Blogger Award for Best YouTube Channel. I actually was not expecting this. I thought Sherry Shroff or any of the other nominees would win, but when I won, it was crazy. I was so happy, I was so proud. But you know what the funniest thing was? When I went back home, I was brought back to reality because my parents were scolding me for coming back home late. Well then. Doing a panel here about digital marketing and YouTubing. I'm a little bit nervous because this crowd is going to be very, very mature, very, very intelligent because of course it's Columbia Business School. This is such a very chuttu thing. So my brothers always treated me as his baby sister, and when we did this panel about digital marketing in Columbia, his college, that was the first time he saw me as an adult, and I saw how proud he was, and it just made me feel really, really happy. Way more popular than I ever can be, and I assume and I know for sure that everyone in the audience and I myself have so many questions. This is one of my biggest achievements. I gave a speech representing YouTube and Google at the Brand Equity Marketing Awards to the biggest CMOs of the country. Prasoon Joshi was in the audience, and I remember being so nervous about this whole thing. In fact, I was editing a video in the wings. So, I mean, I was so proud that I was able to do it, and I just felt really just like a grown-up and just very proud of myself. I love this video and I love how it turned out, but honestly, this was one of my toughest shoots. I remember that day, there was nobody to help me, and I just felt so lost, and I felt like, how am I going to do this? And that's the day I realized that maybe I need to take a break, maybe I really need to take a step back and think, and I definitely need to get a team.
And monologue माँ का है और माँ के रोल के लिए लड़की का ऑडिशन नहीं लेना चाहिए. Sandy?
Another dream come true. Now, I'm sure everybody knows that I've always wanted to act in a web series, and it finally happened. Although this period was when my mind was slightly preoccupied, wasn't the happiest, but it was such a good experience. So, I mean, thank you so much, Timeliners, for taking me in Engineering Girls. It was so amazing. Thank you, Apu sir, and everybody else who was involved. When I was in college, it was always my dream to be featured in magazines, do these amazing photo shoots, and when I shot for the Peacock magazine with Falguni and Shane Peacock, I saw that dream come to reality, and I can't tell you how much I love this shoot and how proud I am of it. This was one of the most random things I've done in the year. मैं अपनी दोस्त मिशिका से मिली and हमने बस डिसाइड किया कि चलो कल चंडीगढ़ चलते हैं to meet our third friend Meher. And I realized how much I needed something like this. I really needed to spend time with my real friends जो मुझे मुंह पे बता सके that I'm fucking up, I need to take a break and I just need to take care of myself. And that's what happened on that trip and I'm so thankful to you guys. This is when I finally took my break. I took a break from YouTube for a month and I went for this particular lunch with my mom which changed everything. That's when I really started, disciplining myself. I really started focusing on my mental health. I went to cafes, I made new friends, I did things on my own. I did very spontaneous things. I went to Cherrapunchi to film 2 music videos randomly. I went to meet my best friend in Hyderabad and I slowly saw that things got better. We're going to Ladakh! This Ladakh vlog is very special for me because I finally felt that authenticity come back. जब मैं video starting में बनाती थी, that happiness that I had, I saw it come back in this video. And I'm so thankful to you, Tushar, for editing in a way that happiness came out. And I feel like this is the start of my whatever Sejal is back on YouTube. So yeah. Oh god, we're getting so late. I was supposed to get at the venue at 3 and it's almost 3:45 and Papa jaldi chala. I won my second major award of the year, Youth Influencer of the Year at the Women of Steel Conclave. My god, I did not expect this, did not see this coming. And I mean, it was crazy. I was on a panel with Chitrangada Singh. I was sharing the stage with my favorite YouTubers. And you know what I realized? I realized that once you're happy from within, everything else falls into place. You see all the good things happening around you. I'm starting a clothing line. This is insane. And now this, you guys know, was my biggest dream. I always wanted to start a clothing line and yeah, it just made me realize that dreams do come true. Although this experience was very tough to do, we only pulled this off in 1.5 months, but I just was so happy because I wished for something and once my mind was in the right place, it all came together. Tour of my newly decorated office room. You guys have no idea kitne times I wanted a proper space that I can work in. I was working from cafes and my bedroom for such a long time, but finally I had this one space which I could call my office, and usko set up karke itni khushi mili, I cannot tell you. I met friggin' Priyanka Chopra, can you believe it? I was invited to the launch of Bumble and this was a seated dinner with Priyanka Chopra, so it wasn't a random दूर से देख लिया. I actually met her, had a conversation with her, told her she's my inspiration, and you know what the best part was? I realized the value of my best friends. Tanisha, if you're watching, she's always accompanied me to all my biggest achievements. Learn that, keep your friends close and learn to value them. This is when I shot with my contest winners for my Sejal X SBL collection. I was so happy this day because that's when I truly realized, the impact of YouTube and what we do. Sometimes videos banate samay we just forget what our videos have, the effect they have on people. But when I saw these random people come together, become friends and just have such a great time, I was so happy and proud of, whatever community that's come out of this channel. So 2018 has been a very interesting year. So big thank you to all my friends and family, parivar who stuck by me and all the new people who've come into my life. You've given me so much that I can't thank you enough for. So hopefully 2019 will be an even better year and Happy New Year to you guys. Have fun.